If you've ever wondered how to combine two Google Calendars, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to move calendar events from one Google Calendar into another so everything is organized in one place. This is a great option if you want to clean up multiple calendars, merge work and personal schedules, or just make your planning a lot easier. And if this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in first. Open Google Calendar on your computer. For this process, it's best to use a desktop browser because the export and import tools are easier to access there. Once Google Calendar loads, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and click it. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the full Google Calendar settings panel where you can manage your calendars and access the import and export tools. Now, on the left side, scroll until you find the Import and Export section. This is where Google lets you download calendar data and bring it into another calendar. Click Export. Google Calendar will download a zip file to your computer. This zip file contains your calendar data, usually in ICS format. Open the downloaded zip file and locate the ICS file for the calendar you want to combine. If you have more than one calendar in the file, make sure you identify the correct one before moving on. Once you've found the right ICS file, go back to Google Calendar. Return to Settings, then open Import and Export again. This time, you're going to import the calendar data into the destination calendar. Click Select File from your computer and choose the ICS file you just found. After that, choose the destination calendar you want to combine the events into. This is the calendar where all of the imported events will appear. Make sure you pick the correct calendar before continuing, especially if you have multiple calendars for work, personal use, or shared planning. When everything looks right, click Import. Google Calendar will begin transferring the events from the file into your selected destination calendar. Depending on the number of events, this may take a few moments. After the import is finished, check the destination calendar to confirm the events were transferred correctly. Scroll through the calendar, switch between views if needed, and make sure the dates, times, and event details all look right. If everything imported successfully, then you've now combined the calendars in a practical way by moving the events into one calendar. One important thing to remember is that this method imports events, but it does not truly merge two separate Google accounts into one calendar system. It's really about moving the event data from one calendar to another. So if your goal is to combine schedules, this is the safest and most effective method to do it. And that's it. You've now learned how to combine two Google Calendars using Google's built-in export and import tools. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one.